Okay. Hey y'all, so I'm about to get ready to run to Kroger. I saw a recipe online. It was a recipe for some raspberry white chocolate. I think it had macadamia in it. I don't know, but I don't really care for macadamia, so I'm just gonna do raspberry white chocolate cookies, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me. We baking today. We baking today, babe. And I'm so excited. So y'all come on, we about to make a quick store run to Kroger. I got everything I need except for the white chocolate and the raspberry. So I'm about to run to Kroger, pick that up, and come back, and we're gonna get to it. To mention how excited I am about making these cookies, because I love these cookies at Subway. I don't even know if they still sell them, but I know I used to tear them up back home when like years ago. I don't even think they sell them out here in Georgia at Subway, but I'm really not sure because I ate so much Subway when I was pregnant with my son. I really don't go there that much anymore. Now I go to Jersey Mike's, or I go to Publix to get a sub sandwich now. So I really don't know, but I'm so excited about making these cookies, and I'm excited to bring y'all along with me. So let's go, y'all. We're about to get into it. To get a buggy, but I'm so used to getting buggies. I always stop by the flowers to check them out, especially now during Valentine's Day. They got all of the good, cute stuff. What's the difference between Premier White? Premier White. I guess this would be the we got classic white. I'm gonna go with these. Classic white. Now I got to go find the frozen raspberries, and that's it. We're gonna be out of here. I'm probably gonna grab some food too. For dinner or for lunch. Well, dinner, whatever. But yeah, that's all. I just gotta get the frozen raspberries and chocolate chips. I already got them, so yeah. kitchen, I'm cooking, da, 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 da. Then I call you back. Everything. I grabbed a few additional items for the house. I'm about to get ready to stop by one other store, and we're gonna get home and get in this kitchen and water with it. It's warm today. Like, why I got this jacket on warm? Like, they say 55 degrees, but it feels like 75 degrees warm. Hallelujah. 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 I'm in the kitchen, I'm cooking, I'm editing, and I got you back. Alright guys, we are back. We in the kitchen. As you can see, I got my baking attire on. We got our raspberries, our white chocolate. All of our other ingredients are over here. I'm about to go ahead and get started. I'm going to pull the recipe up on my phone so we can get this thing going. I'm so excited. Once again, we are making white chocolate raspberry cookies. So I just feel like they're gonna be good, but we're gonna see. 30 seconds to melt butter. We now have our melted butter. This recipe calls for melted butter, so it's melted, and then she said let it cool for 10 minutes before mixing it. So I'm gonna let's sit it over here. Now we're about to go in with our other ingredients. Okay. Okay. At the same time, pull the raspberries out to thaw. Okay, y'all. So because I want to be honest, I want to be honest. I'm gonna show y'all my first batch turned out awful, and I think it's because I over mixed the dough. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like, but I ended up redoing it, and this time I didn't mix the raspberries in as much as the first time. So I'm gonna show y'all the bad batch and the good batch. Okay, this is how the first batch came out. Oh my god, it looked like some uncooked blueberry cookies. Like, they don't taste bad, but they just look so ugly to me. But this is our new batch. This is what the recipe looked like. This is what the picture looked like from the recipe that I got offline. I'm very much so satisfied with this compared to this. But one reason why I showed you that is because if you try something and it don't turn out right the first time, it's all about being persistent. When you fall, get back up. If you mess up, try again. It don't mean it's over. It don't mean you're a bad baker, you're a bad artist, you're a bad cooker, teacher, parent, whatever you are, whatever you do, it doesn't mean that you're bad just because you fail at it 1 or 2 times or however many times. Because it takes that consistent practice and that repetition to get you to the great spot, the sweet spot, okay? So I wanted to show y'all that. I wasn't gonna even show y'all, but then I was like, why not? I did not record me remixing and all that because I really wanted to focus on the recipe, focus on how the recipe was written and how I needed to mix and all of that stuff. And they came out perfect. I like them. I'm letting them cool down. Hey. What'd she say? But his grandma was so proud of him. He sure knew what he was doing there. Yeah. I'm just regular running, man. I'm old. Oh, let him get by and then I'll call. What I'm saying, y'all just want to go on the mark? You run. You do cross country or track? Okay, yeah, you look like a runner. Yeah, look, don't beat him too bad. Yeah. He a little washed up and he learning. All right. All right, here we go. On your mark. Get set, go. Whoa. Your leg hurt. Oh my goodness. Hey, that was good. Did you pull some? Oh man. Yeah, so they just got done racing. Casey, Charles, and a runner, a real runner. And Charles, I think your boy pulled some. But it was good to see. How you feel? How y'all feel?
Tired.
That was good though. That did good. I enjoyed watching it. We just at the park in a little QT. Why they throw the football?
You gotta kill with your hand, not with your arm.
This is a big track out here. So this is different from the walking trail that I walk on. This is a big track. And sometimes I come out here and walk around the track, do a couple laps. Most of the time though, I like to get out in the woods, in the trees with the deer and the squirrels and the birds and all of that good stuff. But this is a good space to come at night because it's a lot of lighting out here. And I think it's open to what, 10?
Yeah.
To like 10. So you can come out here at night, get you a good walk, good run, good workout, and bam. I'm not even a whole mile in yet. Yeah, so I'm really just out here playing. My son and my husband out here. So they throwing the ball and I'm just out here on a little walk. Like I said, one thing about coming out here at night is you got good lighting. So it's a little bit more safer. But I'm always aware of my surroundings. Whether at night, whether during the day, it don't even matter. But I'm still on the track. Still out here on the track. And like I said, it's just more light out here at night than on the walking trail. So I was trying to see if it was something I wanted to talk about. Actually, it is. So I want to talk about, how are you showing up for yourself? Like, how are you showing up for yourself? How do you see yourself in a couple more years? What does it look like? What does the future version of you look like? What does she talk like? What does he talk like? How are you dressing? How are you showing up for yourself? So that's something to think about, especially if you are a person that is always like working on yourself or working on, trying to improve. I want to tell you or challenge you to visualize how you see yourself in the future. Visualize what it would feel like working the job that you want to work, working your dream job, working in your career. That's just something I wanted to talk about because it's something that I've been thinking about lately. And me, I'm always working on something, or always trying to work on something. So if you get a couple minutes or a little time in your day or during your days to be still and be silent, just visualize those things. And if you really don't know, it's okay not to know. If you don't know, it's okay not to know. Maybe you can write it down. Maybe you can write a couple things down, get you a notebook, get you a journal, write down a list of the top 5 to 10 things. And after you write those things down, visualize it, feel it, embody it. Like that's how you can basically create your reality, by visualizing, by your thoughts. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about that. That just came across my mind. It's something I felt. I'm sorry about the light. It's like a glare on the screen because of the big light in the back. But that's something I wanted to talk about, is how you can visualize things into your reality. Because think about it, a lot of things that we do, and in the place that you are in, some of the stuff, like some of your reality, some of the things that are a part of your life in this present moment, you probably thought it up first. The job you working, you probably thought about that job. The car you drive, you probably thought about that car. All of the stuff starts right here in the mind. It's power right in here in the mind. So don't forget that. Sit down, relax, visualize, meditate, pray, whatever you gotta do. But that's just what I'm trying to say. That's something you can do to become, say hey.
Yeah.
That's something you can do to assist in becoming the person that you want to be in the future. So I'm about to continue my little walk. I don't even know if I'm a mile in yet. Right at a mile. So we're gonna finish our little walk. It's getting cool out here. And I'll see y'all later. Be sweet. Bye.